We're on a tour right now, and our tour guide, she's really cool.
She's in our ear.
She's in our ear right now, and she gave us a lot of really good information about the city. First of all, Florence is pretty cool. Like a lot of cool stuff comes out of here.
Yeah.
And a lot of these buildings are anywhere between like 200 to 1,000 years old.
Yes.
Like that's crazy, right?
Yep.
And we saw the burial site of Michelangelo, Galileo, Machiavelli, and some other opera singer.
Yeah, all in this church in like the city's like religious center. Oh, this is
like a regular street. The bridge was built for the following 450 years.
It's so like rich with history. It's pretty incredible all the stuff we're learning, huh?
Yeah, 1,000 years old.
Yeah.
Wow, look at this leather market, baby. Those are cool leather bags.
We have everything here.
Yeah. We're gonna touch the board together. Make a wish.
Yeah. Did you?
Yeah.
What did you wish for?
Can't tell you. I'm gonna do it real quick. Okay, shout out to the girl.
Oh my god. Baby, okay, so I just got like a, charcuterie board type of thing.
Yeah.
With some bread. But what's really interesting is what Lucky got. What is that, babe?
I got this like bruschetta on a bunch of different paste.
What are these interesting paste things?
This is olive paste. This is kind of like their olive jam, and then it's a spread. And then this is a chicken pate spread, and this is an artichoke spread. And it looks so good.
I can't wait to dig it. Oh my gosh.
We got 8 minutes to get gelato.
We're gonna get gelato in 8 minutes.
All right, we can do
Or
it.
else we're gonna be stranded in Florence.
Hello.
Hi.
Oh, cocoa.
Crocantino, cocoa. Can I get one little?
Yeah.
The cafe and one cocoa?
Tell them how long I've been trying to get gelato.
Like, he's been trying to get gelatos for a year. We went to Cancun.
Since been trying to get gelato for 2 years since we went to Cancun.
And why didn't we get it?
And they had gelato on the ship and everything. The only way that I can get her to have gelato is I had to take her to the place all the way in Italy
Where gelato was invented?
where gelato was invented. This is actually really good.
This is so good.
It really is. It's so good. People think it's just
No
ice
BS.
cream. Gelato for the win. Cheers. Gelato kiss. We're about to walk up to this church where Michelangelo is buried. And they said his tomb is right here in that front door. They said he's buried right in front of that door. I just feel like disrespectful to roll up to the Man City without seeing where he's buried, you know what I mean?
I wonder where Leonardo DiCaprio is.
Well, Leonardo DiCaprio's in Hollywood.
Leonardo da Vinci.
Right in here, right by the door, is where Michelangelo is buried. But he spent the last 20 years of his life in Rome. He lived up to 89 years old, and his body was brought back over here for his final resting place. And Galileo was on the other side, but it took him 100 years to get buried. He's on the other side of the door because he was exiled because of all of his discoveries went against like the popular opinion, you know, all of his astronomy discoveries. And then Machiavelli is also buried here, and some famous opera singer. That guy.
Yeah.
And this is a statue of the dude that invented the Italian language. So, I don't know his name, but he's the dude. Google him. I had two glasses of wine.
We finished it off with some gelato.
Yeah.
Best we've ever had.
Really good gelato.
So we are so set.
Yeah.
And it's gonna be a 2.5-hour drive back to the port.
Yeah.
So I'm probably gonna get a little nap in. Don't mind us, we're a little buzzed.
Yeah, you're wrong. I'm buzzing.
That's why you're giving your own tour, huh?
Yeah, but honestly,
You're doing a remake of our tour.
honestly, I say this is one of the best cities I've been in, with a lot of historic sites that we saw. A lot of history in this town. The town's like 1,000 years old. There's 8 buildings 800 years old, 500 years old, 200 years old, and 1,000 years old. And a lot of the people that came out of here are very influential to society as we know it today. And good wine, so there's that.
Got no seatbelts.
What is the seatbelt, babe? What happens in terms of
You gotta hold on to this.
like riding a bull? It's what they do in Italy, Italian, Spain.
This guy drives crazy.
He does drive pretty crazy.
Speeding.
Yeah, he drives crazy.
Scaring me. He's like going past other buses. Oh.
Yeah, I think in foreign countries, I've seen that a lot. Like they drive pretty crazy. In foreign countries. What I've learned is to look away. I learned to not think about it.
Still look at, yeah. Because babe, if we look at it for 2 hours, how like worried are we gonna be?
Pretty worried.
Yeah. So we need to just not look at it.
Okay, 10 minutes and then we go on, huh?
Where are we at?
We are at the Michelangelo Square.
Okay, walk us to it.
Very quickly, we're gonna go this way. So that's another replica of the Michelangelo Square. Yeah, and then we got the whole view of the city over there. Look at this little peninsula.
Yeah. I wonder where we are in Italy. Like,
On the boot?
we're on the boot, huh?
No, we're not on the boot because it moves this way.
Like, yeah, we're moving along the long side of the boot.
Yeah,
like
it's
this.
like way, yeah.
But we're not anywhere near this part, huh?
Yeah, like
Okay.
there's